Well, happy Tuesday, everyone. It's going to be sunny but cold again today. In fact, today's going to be a little bit cooler than yesterday. Another hard freeze tonight. We're going to have some of the coldest temperatures we have had since January, as many of us will fall into the low 20s. However, a mild day is on the way. We'll take a look at that as well. Few flurries and a little bit of light snow across parts of the mountains overnight. That's kind of cool, especially up closer to that Tennessee line. However, a few flurries did fly around Asheville earlier this morning. As we take a look at the rest of the day, how about some sunshine? It's going to be a beautiful day. In fact, it's going to look a lot like yesterday, just 3 or 4 degrees cooler. As we go into tomorrow, another sunny day, a little bit warmer. Tomorrow night, we're going to have some of those wind gusts begin to go up, and Thursday will be the mildest day of the week, but it's also going to be pretty windy. Let's take a look at some of those wind gusts as we go into tomorrow night and early Thursday morning. Some of those gusts between 25 and 30 miles per hour. This will, by the way, be off and on throughout the day. So if you're doing some decorating outdoors, it'll be nice. It'll feel better, but you're going to be wrestling with those wind gusts at times. As we go into the rest of the week, here's Thursday, by the way. This is the culprit for all of the winds. It's also a little bit of a disturbance that's going to come through. So winds go up Wednesday night into Thursday. We stay dry. Behind this little system, though, a reinforcing shot of that really cold air. So we're back to a hard freeze Friday morning and Saturday morning. I am seeing some signs that we're going to start to warm things up heading into next week, which is good. One of those signs is right here. I don't know if you can see these lines, but these are coming from the south. We'll have south winds starting early next week. That will bring rain chances Monday night into Tuesday, but it's also going to bring us back to about 60 degrees or pretty close to that by the middle part of next week. So better news there if you like things a little bit warmer. In the meantime, warmth is not what we are going to have today. 44 degrees for a high. Another hard freeze overnight. 49 for a high tomorrow. Thursday, windy but mild. Friday, Saturday looking pretty good. By the way, Saturday, if you're heading out to the Poinsettia Christmas Parade, it's going to be nice. Temperatures will be about mid-40s when that starts at 6:30. So get out there and enjoy. Bundle up. Bring the kids. As we go into Saturday, Sunday, we got a lot of Christmas parades across the area. Should be dry, but again, on the cooler side. Well, happy Tuesday, everyone. We got a little bit of snowfall across parts of western North Carolina again last night and early this morning. It did coat some roadways with some slick spots, especially the closer to Charlotte you got, even parts of Asheville. However, as we take a look at here's some good news. All of those skiers and snowboarders and you enjoy tubing, we got 2 to 3 inches of brand new snow at some of our area ski resorts over the past 24 hours. That's in addition to what we had not too long ago. Some good news there. We've got some clouds across parts of western North Carolina. That is going to clear out and everyone will enjoy some sunshine today, but it is noticeably colder out there. If you've been outside at all recently, you've noticed we're a little bit cooler than we were yesterday. It's also still a little bit breezy at times. Overnight, clear skies, but it's going to be cold. We're looking at the coldest air since January. So it's not just a hard freeze. Temperatures are going to plummet into the low 20s and it's going to feel a whole lot colder. Tomorrow, we're right back to mostly sunny skies, but tomorrow night, winds are going to pick up and they're going to continue to be blustery, downright gusty at times throughout the day on Thursday. So Wednesday night, tomorrow night, some of those gusts 25, 30 miles per hour. That's going to make those cold temperatures tomorrow night feel a whole lot colder. As we go into Thursday, Thursday is actually going to be a mild day. It'll be the warmest day of the week, but with these wind gusts of 25 to 35 miles per hour, it's still going to feel a little bit cooler at times. So Thursday, a mild but windy day. By the way, part of the culprit is this area of low pressure dropping down across the Midwest. This is producing that wind machine or that wind tunnel. It's also part of a system that's going to give us a reinforcing shot of cold air, bringing us back to a hard freeze Friday and Saturday morning. Lots of festivities this weekend. We've got holiday fairs. We've got Christmas parades in cities and communities all over the place. If you're heading out to any of those at all this weekend, it's going to be dry. Get out there and enjoy, but you will also want to bundle up. By the way, early next week, see these lines? These are isobars. Those are south winds coming back. That's going to infuse the atmosphere over the next few days. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we're going to gradually warm up and temperatures will be back up to normal, which is about 60 degrees and maybe even a little bit above that. So warmer next week. Not this week, though. Here we go. 44 degrees for a high today, 49 tomorrow. How about near 60 on Thursday? That's going to feel good and no freeze concerns for one day only. As we get into Friday, Saturday morning, we're back to a hard freeze and then we start to warm up again toward the end of the weekend and early part of next week.